Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive VW Beetle full guide. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the layout, seat position, mirrors, and pedals before starting the engine. Adjust the steering wheel and mirrors until you have clear sight lines. Check fuel, oil, and tire pressure, then confirm the parking brake is engaged. If the model has a manual gearbox, practice clutch control in a quiet area until shifts feel smooth and confident. Start by sitting comfortably and placing both hands on the wheel at a relaxed position. Check that the gear lever is in neutral or park, then engage the clutch fully for manual starts or press the brake for automatics. Turn the key or press start while watching the dash for warning lights to clear. Let the engine warm briefly if needed, then select first gear or drive and release the parking brake smoothly. Hey folks, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite to read manuals, maps, and travel tips on the go with a comfy backlight and long battery life. It pairs perfectly with road trips and learning sessions, and you can stash guides right on the device. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When driving, be gentle with steering and throttle as the Beetle responds promptly to inputs. Maintain steady speed through corners and avoid abrupt lane changes. The car rewards smooth control. For manual transmissions, match revs when downshifting to keep the ride smooth and preserve the clutch. In traffic, leave extra space behind due to compact brakes and practice reversing into tight spots to build confidence with rear sightlines.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.